chicken pesto pizza. Hello friends, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Afraz and now I'm going to show you a recipe which you always order when you visit an Italian restaurant. Yes, I'm talking about pizza. But as always, I'm going to twist it with pesto. Usually you have pizza with the same base of sauce, tomato sauce. But today I'm going to twist it with pesto sauce. So let's have a quick view on our ingredients. To make chicken pesto pizza, we would require basil leaves, garlic cloves, crushed walnuts, salt, crushed black pepper, grated Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, sliced black olives, red yellow bell pepper, chicken breast, ready-made pizza base, olive oil, dried mixed herb. So let's quickly start. First, we'll marinate our chicken with salt, crushed black pepper, some dry mixed herbs, and olive oil. We'll rub this marination on both the sides. So our chicken is nicely marinated. We'll set this aside for 5 to 10 minutes. So in the meantime, let's make our pesto sauce. For that, we'll take some garlic cloves into a mixie grinder. To this, I'll add some crushed walnuts. I'm not using pine nuts as they are a little expensive also, and these walnuts will give a different and unique flavor to our pesto. We'll add some crushed black pepper and we will grind this first. Once our walnut and garlic are nicely grounded, we'll add grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil. We'll cover this and grind this again. We'll also drizzle some olive oil. If you see your basil are not grinding, as in pesto sauce, you should never add water. Add olive oil and grind this again. So now you can see our pesto sauce is ready. Don't grind this for a long time as the basil leaf will turn dark. So let's quickly remove this in a bowl. Now to this we'll add some salt and mix this nicely. So our pesto is ready. We'll set this aside and come back to our chicken. So for grilling our chicken, we'll heat up a grill pan. We'll add some oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, we'll place our chicken breast, marinated chicken breast, over it. So now flip our chicken. As you can see, our chicken has got nice grill marks over it. Now we'll let it cook. In the meantime, we'll cut our bell peppers into julienne. To make the topping colorful, I've taken red and yellow bell pepper. You can also use cherry tomatoes or any choice of your topping. If you don't want to make this in chicken, you can also make this into veg by using different kinds of bell peppers. You can also add paneer to it and make it a delicious one. Now our chicken is also almost cooked. Switch off the flame and take this out on a work table. Till that time, we'll assemble our pizza. Over here, I've taken a thin crust pizza base, which is now easily available in supermarkets. So So now with this, we'll spread a spoonful of a pesto sauce. Sprinkle some of our juliennes of red bell pepper, some yellow, little salt, crushed black pepper, dried mixed herbs, and now also we'll cut our chicken into thin juliennes. Be careful, if the chicken is hot, you can bring this down to the room temperature and then cut into juliennes. So our chicken is ready. We'll also place this on our pizza. Now with this, I'll also add some black olives. And last, lots of mozzarella cheese. Now I've assembled my pizza. Now this will go in a preheated oven for around 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese melts. So now it's been 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check on our pizza. Wow, as you can see, the cheese has got melted and our pizza is ready. Let's take this out from the baking tray. And now with the help of a pizza cutter, we'll cut this into wedges. So our lovely pesto pizza is ready. I can't wait to take a bite of it. The freshness of the basil in our pesto and the flavors of the pizza bread with chicken is like a slice of heaven. Do try this at your home before you call for a pizza delivery.